Hi guys, I'm Colin from iCheckit Plumbing Gas Electrical. Today I'm at Lui Cafe in Chewett Hill trying to help Lui, a long-term family friend of mine. Lui has a fantastic Italian restaurant, and since things have become very tough lately with this coronavirus around, the only way we all have to taste this good classic Italian cuisine is by ordering it takeaway. So we had a brilliant idea of how we can help, but first let Jerome show you what they can do.
Hey guys, welcome to Lui Cafe. My name's Jerome. I've been working here for the last 10 years now, and I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that we do around here, if you don't mind. Let's go have a look. All of our pastas are made from hand. The lasagna, the cannelloni, the fettuccine, even the sauces are made by Nonna. Not even Lui knows how to make them, she won't tell him. We can also cook and freeze any one of our pastas for you to take home as well. This is where we make all of our pizzas. We make everything here from scratch, from our dough to our pizza sauce. We prep all of our fresh produce here. Lui over the last 30 years has perfected the art of pizza tossing and has been pretty generous enough to teach me how to do it myself. All of our desserts are served in cute little jars for you to keep. They're also made in-house by Lui, from the tiramisu to the chocolate mousse to the cheesecake, the apple pie, the panna cotta, chocolate honeycomb cake. You can also pair them with any of your favorite gelatos to take home. And now finally you can get alcohol with your takeaway orders. You can get any of our beers or wines. We have the full Peroni range, or we have our house red and whites that you can pick from, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Order your favorite Lui Cafe dishes and come pick it up at our restaurant in Chewett Hill, or
we can deliver it to your doorstep so you don't have to go out. Yes, at iCheckit we do plumbing, gas and electrical, but expect to see our electrician doing the deliveries. We have also dropped our $20 voucher if you ever need any plumbing or electrical work done. That's how we're helping our friend Lui keep his business up and running. We let him borrow our apprentice and our work van at night time. So you won't have to give up his amazing food, and neither will I. If he has to close down, I have to rely on my wife's food. Maybe cut that bit off.
Don't sweat it. Search iCheckit Perth.
The only way... It's gonna f***ing rain here.